Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook video without app new update. So for that, at first go to your Facebook. Now to download any video in Facebook, you need to just copy the link. So for that, click the three dot icon of the video and click on copy link. Now the link is copied. Now go back and go to any web browser you want. I'm using Google and search for FBit video downloader. Now you can go for any website because most of the website works the same. I am suggesting you to go to SnapSafe, so click on it, and in this option here just paste what you copied and click on download. Now after that, here you can see you can just download it with 720p or 360p. I'm going to download in 720p HD. Here you can see the file is downloading. It will be downloaded direct to your gallery and you can see it in your gallery. So guys, that's how you can save Facebook video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.